Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to show you my 2019 fall everyday makeup. To be honest, nothing too special. But one thing that is very special in this video is that I'm going to show you how to keep your makeup on your face all day long. And this little tips was by a Korean makeup artist, and I think it's worth a try. So I tried it on my face for a week and it works pretty well on me, which is a really good thing for me because I'm pretty lazy. Please tell me that if it works on you or not. So let's get started.
In order to get your makeup last all day, the skincare routine is super important. The first thing I use for my skincare is Oregon's Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Treatment Lotion. It is alcohol-free and pH balanced. It will instantly refresh and rebalance skin to help soothe, calm, and boost hydration levels. After refreshing my face, I'm using the one called Saphir from W Lab Jewelry Base. To minimize my pore, I'm using the one from Benefits. It is oil controlling, so I put it on my T-zone. Moving on to the foundation. I'm using Dior Forever Matte with a foundation brush from Su Uemura. It gives your face a medium to full coverage. I've used this product for a long time. It doesn't crease or cake throughout the day. For highlighting the middle part of my face, I'm using the one from a Korean brand called Meme. I'm using one shade lighter from my foundation to create that lit from within look. So I'm focusing on my cheekbones, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. For the concealer, I highly recommend using the one from Cinema Secrets. The brand is from the US and it is created for film and television. The high coverage can fully cover your pimple and your black circles. So moving on to the tips today. To lock in your foundation and your concealer all day long, take 1 or 2 drops from your face oil. Warm it with your hand and gently pat it on your face. I'm using Nuxe for my face oil and I think I bought it in France. To set everything in place, I'm using RCMA No Color Powder. I pat it on my face with a fluffy brush from Dior. For the brows, first I brush extra powder off. Then I'll shape my brows like drawing a draft. The brow pencil from Su Uemura gives a really natural look and it is easier to clean up if I mess up. Finishing the draft, it is time to enhance the shape. I'm using the brow gel from Anastasia and I'm using the color Ash Brown. The gel dries out really fast, so that's why you can see I'm taking out a little bit at a time and put it on a lid. The technique here is drawing the line of how your brow grows. To make your brows look cleaner, I'll always use the concealer to clean it. Don't forget to dab it with your finger to blend out the lines, otherwise it looks really funny. For contouring my nose, I'm using a bronzer powder in the color shades 100 from Mina. I contour from the inner corner of my eyes down to my nose and I blend it out really well so that it won't have that weird 2 lines beside my nose. For eyeshadow, first I used the eye palette from Rimmel, which is their Jewel Rocks edition. I used the coral color inside to put it on my upper and lower eyelid. Then I'm using the orange color in Violet Voss to put it on my lower eyelid, and using my finger to dab the golden shimmering color in the middle. Remember to blend them well with a brush. Plus I used the lighter gold shimmering color to highlight the lower inner corner of my eyes. And adding some little more brown to create bigger eyes. To contour the rest of my face, I'm using the same color from what I used to contour my nose. Since I'm not using any blush today, I'm bringing it on my cheeks. For the highlight, I'm taking the gold color in the middle from Bobbi Brown. I put it on my cheeks, my eyebrows, and the tip of my nose.
For my eyelash, I always use the one from Kiss Me. And here I'm adding highlighters in the inner corner of my eyes. I don't know why, maybe it's because I'm nervous. I think the makeup in this video is kind of disordered. For the base of my lip, I'm using the one from Clio in the color shade 6. It is a matte looking gloss and I'm adding L'Oreal 642 on top. I hope you like my full everyday makeup look, and I'm sorry for the disorder, but I'm trying my best for the first video. I'll try to talk in front of the camera more often. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope my makeup tips in the video would help your makeup last longer. Feel free to leave your suggestion or advice in the comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.